It's Friday, the 26th of April, and you are listening to the English broadcast of Workers Connect Radio. We'll begin with the headlines. Andhra Paper Limited retaliates with a lockout against workers demanding union election and revision of wage agreement in East Godavri district of Andhra Pradesh. Another severe death in Maharashtra's Mumbai. Contract worker and rescuer both die of asphyxiation. Supreme Court directs Jamia Millia Islamia University to adhere with the regulations of the UGC and regularize the services of temporary teachers. Nurses hold one-day protest against implementation of untested technologies on patients in the name of promoting artificial intelligence in the United States of America. And unions face attack on right to freedom of association in Turkey yet again as the government bans MayDay rally at Taksim Square despite court orders. Now news in detail. In order to quell the strike of over 2,800 workers, the management of Andhra Paper Limited in East Godavri district of Andhra Pradesh has declared a lockout on 24th of April 2024. Workers had embarked on strike on the 2nd of April on the joint call of 11 trade unions under the banner of AP Paper Mill Karmika Sangam. Workers have been demanding that the management hold union elections without delay to determine the recognized union at the plant and immediately revise the wage agreement which has been pending for over 2 years. Earlier in a tripartite meeting, the management had agreed to both the demands. However, it has been delaying the wage negotiations and elections ever since and has now retaliated by imposing a lockout. Yet another severe death has been reported from Maharashtra's Mumbai, where a contract Safai Karmachari and a person who entered the sewer line to rescue him were killed of asphyxiation as soon as they entered the manhole. 50-year-old Safai Karmachari Raghu Solanki had fainted as he entered to clean the sewer line of an under-construction building. To rescue him, 19-year-old Akib Sheikh entered the pipeline and met with the same fate. With this incident, the death toll in sewer lines has risen to 6 this month in the city. In the matter of Meher Fatima Hussain versus Jamia Millia Islamia, the bench of Justices Abhay Oka and Pankaj Mithal of the Supreme Court have directed the university to reinstate teachers on permanent basis who were earlier denied regularization despite the orders of the University Grants Commission. The Apex Court held that the petitioners were appointed after undergoing a regular selection process and they possessed relevant qualifications as per the norms of the University Grants Commission, and hence university's action of not continuing them and starting fresh selection process is unjust, arbitrary and violative of the Article 14 of the Constitution. Moving on to international news, the first one is from United States of America, where over 200 nurses at the Kaiser Permanente's San Francisco Medical Center held a one-day demonstration to ensure quality health care for all. Under the banner of the California Nurses Association, the nurses have been opposing the rampant use of untested technologies in the name of promoting artificial intelligence in the health sector. The unchecked use of AI has raised serious concerns over safety, effectiveness, and equitability of care being provided to patients. The last update is from Turkey, where the government has issued a notice imposing a ban on rallies and demonstrations at the Taksim Square in the city of Istanbul on the occasion of International Labour Day to be celebrated on the 1st of May. Earlier in December 2023, the Constitutional Court in Turkey had directed the government to lift all such bans as it is violative of the right to freedom of association. Unions have now given a public call for rally to defy the government's ban on assembly and uphold the order of the court. That is all in this bulletin. We'll be back next week with the latest updates from the world of work.